Are you looking at my muscles?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's why I go to the gym, Tim.
Why is that?
So Lacey looks at me more.
Scrap the pup.
Morning! Roll the windows down. Oh, then I got a wind noise. I don't know if the Hero 8 can even see me in the darkness. But it is Sunday morning. I'm only 15 minutes late to breakfast. Anyways, today we're doing tree work. Look at all Barefoot's equipment. I got a big John Deere dozer. Anyways, it's been raining a boatload in Florida. Probably 6 to 8 inches in the last 3 or 4 days. And like, that's not even an exaggeration. There's standing water everywhere. Trees are falling over. Basically the ground is just getting so saturated that the roots can't grip the dirt anymore. And then with a little bit of wind or some poor growth habits, right? The leverage is applied weird. They just whoop, fall over, which happened actually at Tim's horse farm that he just sold. It's still in the middle of like closing or whatever, like it's in that weird limbo state where you can say it's sold but it's also not. So we actually have to go clean this up because it's the right thing to do, not to stick it on the new owners, and also it's sitting on the power lines. Look at this pretty girl.
What a loser, you didn't even back up.
Well, I wanted to get you on camera, but whatever. I'll back up and park on the cool side of the parking lot.
No, I parked over here for you.
Did you guys hear that? She's so mean to me. She's so mean to me. Tim is here, as you can see. That's actually Tim's wife's truck. Oh.
Why are you bringing that in?
Anyway.
I like you.
Wake up cafe.
And I said, you didn't put the wires underground? No. Well, that's the reason they're all broken. Yeah.
Let's go do some tree work. Tim, your trailer's loaded. We're not hauling the tree away? Holy crap! That's some nice...
No?
Do I want to not drive Honey Badger and drive Jeepers Creepers? No, get in your Jeep. Go.
Whatever, you drive my Jeep. Watch me win a bunch of monies.
Here's your drink.
Thanks.
So how'd you do it?
Here's your degenerate gambler problem. And you're doing pills?
No, I got
Oh my god.
Advil.
Oh. Look at her, she's watching TV on her little phone.
So you're just cool with it now?
Cause she ain't got no
I'm really full.
computer.
Yeah.
I'm gonna clean the lens on this camera, it's dirty. Like butthole, come on.
What do you think, Tim? Is Tim already?
Tim probably hasn't even passed us yet. You ran a red light, that's how fast we're going.
I did run a red light.
Come on, can you hurry up and lose? I mean win.
I might win.
I spent $10.
Wait.
It's twice as likely to win then.
No, it's not. You never buy $10.
Baby, those are the rules.
My rules.
If one $5 ticket is good, then one $10 ticket is better.
Yeah. No.
Wow.
It's
It's almost like we knew we were gonna lose.
No, you jinxed it. You put that negative energy out there.
Okay, let's go cut a tree. Videos on how to film.
Let me get a close-up of your face.
No, I don't need a close-up. It's not good. Video my butt? You're fucking weird. This is my chain. 18 inch.
There's one on the other side.
Is there?
Actually. Yeah.
Good old 20 incher. Are we moving in? Okay. at that washout. That shows you how much water we got. We got 10, they said 10 inches yesterday?
Well, I don't know what it was here.
Or 10 inches over the last 3 days.
Yeah.
Maybe you should go stand in it. I was kidding.
All right, move your truck.
Now you're gonna get in the truck with wet feet.
It's a work. That's the bank property. What's up, Tony? What's up, dude? Oh, they got cows again. Actually, I gotta change this chain on this saw. Oh. The old 461. Did I ever actually name my saw? Oh, look at the little baby.
Where's the little where's the tree? You saw
Huh?
Where's the tree?
You didn't see it?
No?
It's the arena right there in the front. My screwdrivers keep going.
Did you put it back where it goes?
Well, my good scratches keep getting yanked. Holstein.
You got everybody worked up now.
Apparently. Good morning. Should probably do his trees. Do you have a Holstein? Is that a Holstein? Why
That
do you
ain't my cow.
Why do you have a dairy cow?
They're not. The neighbors' cows keep coming over here.
Oh, those aren't your cows at all?
No, our cows that we used to have here
Yeah.
would never stay in here, and they would go somewhere else.
And the neighbors'
now
cows?
the neighbors' cows keep coming here.
Over there.
I don't know. All I know is part of the contract for the
The sale?
sale was we have to make sure the neighbors' cows are gone. Like when we leave, they're gone. Fine, that's not my problem after that. But I think part
That's
of
what I told her. Let's go look at the work orders and find everything with stump grinding.
Guess what?
And she didn't.
Guess what,
Like I
Tim?
said, you can't
I
make
got
it
you a
big.
folder, so now we can print out the work order.
I found the problem.
we'll push it back.
You want to cut it off first, or?
Yeah.
All right. Here, filmer.
Oh yeah. Nice. I'm gonna enjoy this.
Your boots are waterproof.
We could use a climate saw. It might be easier.
Yeah, but mine's louder.
Pouring out the chainsaw. It looked like it had
It's
water
a work
pouring.
saw, not a pretty saw.
Well, I didn't know it gets left in the water.
They made it sound like it was maybe worse.
In the picture, it did look worse. Looked
Yeah.
bigger. Probably could have brought the dingo over and picked it up. It ain't solid wood. it's fixed all the way through, but
Yeah,
it's
I
not
know, but the problem was,
healthy.
I think one of the reasons it's not like an easy place to get to either. It's got to be dry. So I think that was part of the problem why it didn't get taken down.
and I can put them in each envelope and give it to you. Nice.
I was just telling her, not kidding you.
What?
I was just telling her. I guess I got away with not having to cut that damn tree down that was dead. The fucker had to fall.
Your guys could do this in like 5 seconds.
I get it, but they didn't.
Because you didn't send them.
I did send them. They actually came out here. I don't know why they didn't do it. I don't remember.
I have no idea what's up with my saw.
It needs some lovin's.
You gonna wait for it to dry out and then pick it up with the dingo?
I don't know. I'm going to try to come back here.
I mean, it's gonna rut it up.
I mean, it only broke one board, so that's not bad.
Yeah. That's that good wood down there.
Plus, I need to
That old growth timber.
pull back.
What you know about that? And are you looking at my muscles?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's why I go to the gym, Tim.
Why is that?
So Lacey looks at me more.
That's what it is.
You want me to cut down that tree while I'm here?
No,
Okay.
that's the homeowners of the next property. I mean, this property.
The next owners of this property.
Right.
10 floor. Well, that was an easy tree job. Yeah.
What?
It ain't got no gas. My chainsaw doesn't really rattle. Yeah, he's in the front of the barn. Come on, Cal. It doesn't rattle like a bucket, you know what I mean?
Hit the side. Hit the side.
Oh, gonna be side to side?
Hit the side. No, with your hand. Like. That's more like a bucket.
Yeah, that doesn't sound like a bucket, baby. This stud.
Don't
What
touch
up?
that.
What up, dude? What's your problem? What's your problem? Is that? I hope it wasn't poison ivy over there. My arm is starting to itch. Look at that. Ooh. Timmel. Oh. That horse is the prettiest horse here, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see you, buddy.
Come here. Scrap the pup.
Yeah. Enjoy your Sour Patch Kids. You gonna mix it with the mimosas?
No, I'm going to box for mimosas.
Oh, you gonna put that in your mimosa? Alcohol and caffeine mix really well. Ugh, look how dirty my truck is. All right, we gotta run about an hour from here. Let's go look at a tree job. So, I forgot the lady's name actually. What? You go wherever you want, babe. It's a Jeep. Okay, she's about to go jeeping in her 2-wheel drive Jeepers Creepers. Oh, it wasn't even hard. She got it all dramatic. This spot, this area we're about to drive in actually used to be really low. We're gonna pass Lacey. Oh, she's going for it too. Oh, she's going. Look at her, she's gone. I ain't passing that. She's too far ahead. bird. What the hell? Got that on camera. Truck's all good. That's all that matters. She's so impatient.
What?
Oh, what are you trying to drive around me for?
I was gonna.
All right, I'll see you later. Keep an eye out for unicorns.
Mm-hmm.
For who?
Robin the chipper.
Kick him in the face.
No, leave him alone.
Just leave him be, but you can look at him.
You have that on camera? Don't kick.